Hello. Okay, so I'm going to start the simulation. Here you go. As you can see, it is working. I can press buttons. Here's Arduino. Batteries. There's a DC motor. And as you can see, I implemented a keypad as well. The breadboard. There's two of them. And I did color coordinate everything as well. So I'm going to show you my guide, and now I'm going to explain the code. And so as you can see, it says include keypad. That would be to include the keypad, obviously. And then there is this right here, const, I don't know how to pronounce this, rows equals 4. So as you can see, this is so that it is 4 by 4 in the matrix. So it specifies the dimension of the keypad, which is right here, 4 by 4. And then there's this. It's a chart. So it's called hexa keys. When I was looking into this was explained as well. Multiple videos that I watched, and this is the rows and columns. And as you can see, it is exactly as it's shown right here: 1, 4, 7, 1, 2, 3, A, 4, 7, 2, 3, A. So it's just a keypad, as you can see right there. So this array represents the layout of the keypad. It maps out the position to the corresponding character. And then below that, you see row pins, rows, column pins, columns. So what this does, these are the arrays, the row pins, and the columns. Pins, this stores the digital pin numbers on the Arduino board, and they are connected to the columns of the keypad as well. To the rows of the columns of the keypads as well. Now getting into the void setup over here, the void setup runs once when it starts or resets the Arduino. And then, so there's the pin mode, which would be 5. So this is the pin 13 as well. And so that's the output. The serial begin as well. So it initializes the serial communication with the computer. I know that this is at a rate of 9,600. Then it is per second. Okay. And finally, I'm going to just talk about the void loop very briefly. So the void loop is the function. So in the end, it is like the core of the Arduino because it runs continuously after the setup right here. And so the first thing you see is digital write 13 high, which sets the pin to 13 to high, and then delay 1,000. So it's pausing for a second. Digital write 13 low, that sets the pin 13 to low. Then you see over here, which would be the keypad inputs. As you can see, char key, custom keypad. So this was very interesting, and I noticed that it checks if the key has been pressed on the keypad. So I added that in as well. And then there is if key, and then if key, as you can see here. So this right here, all of this checks if the key variable has a value other than the no keypad press value. And also this checks if the press key is 1. And it's the code to activate item 1. But when it's not 1, it checks if it is 2, which you can see right there, else if it's 2.